What's up, YouTube? Starting off the vlog hella late. I've been super busy today.
He's lying.
Let me see your wolf. Let me see.
Lying.
Let me see. Wave check, fool. Wave check, fool. Damn, come on. Forever. Ooh. Okay, come on to the light. Come on to the light. Let me see. Let me see.
It's this left side, bro. It's the one I sleep on.
Okay. We're cutting Pablo right now. He needs help because he's been working his butt off. Hard working man. So we're making him look right. But yeah, so stay tuned. We started the vlog off late. But I'm gonna let Miles film some stuff. See how good he is.
Look at that thing. Hey, I need to get some coilovers, but they cost $400. Gary, what music you got going on out there? Sounds very sad. Recap on Vegas.
Wild. That's all I can say.
It was your girl's birthday?
Yeah.
That's why y'all went?
30th birthday, yeah.
30th birthday? Happy birthday, yay. Shout out.
What's up, YouTube? I'm running hella late today. I'm like 4 haircuts in, something like that. I don't know how many haircuts I'm in. I'm in a lot though. So yeah.
He always late.
Shut up. I got David in the. I'm in my bag though. I'm in my bag though. So
Hey,
anyways.
don't let him talk to you guys like that.
Stop it, Davin.
You're disrespecting his fans.
Stop it. I'm about to disrespect you.
Bro, it better not be like
No, now it's different, huh?
It better not be like last time with that slap. Look, I'm the guy that
I'm about to play the video. I don't think they saw it, so I'm about to play the video right here. Yeah, that was good right there. Okay. All right, let's slap some alcohol on you real quick and then get your body right. Bald face, slap some alcohol on real quick.
Let it be showing, because, it felt like a car accident.
For real.
Felt like a whole car accident happened to my neck.
Alright, YouTube. Actually, alright, it's the boy, the Barber Teezy here. I want to give you guys a tip real quick. If you guys have a lot of little stray hairs on the client and you're trying to get them loose, like get them dusted off so that you can get that picture perfect look, all you want to do is take a neck duster and some talc powder. Put some talc powder in your neck duster. I'm running low. And you have your client. All right, close your eyes, bro. Yeah, my mom said it. Perfect. That's how you get all the hair off.
My podcast my face. But I don't want to open my eyes right now.
Come on.
I can't see, guys. I can't see, guys.
How's that?
Is this the one you got?
Okay, so
No piss breaks.
No piss
I decided.
breaks.
Hey! I decided on my new schedule. My new schedule is gonna be 2 days a week, and I'm gonna work 12 to 1. No, I'm playing. I'm hella busy today though. The last 2 days I've been slammed So we're about to get Justin in. He's been waiting for like an hour and a half. About to get the boy in, make him look right. And then I'm gonna show you his new car too. He got a new car, so I'll show you his new car, something basic, but it looks cool though. So here's the before on young Justin. Let's get the after.
You know how you can put your
After on Justin.
Yeah. They put the cast in the South Park in the seats.
It's blurry right there.
That's cool.
That's blurry. Who's missing one thing?
Baseball game they had. Weekend at Bernie's.
I like your cut, G. Uh-oh.
Bernie's?
Missing one thing. Nice cut, G.
Appreciate it.
That's funny. Just crazy. I said, I was off overnight and they hit me back and said, you can't do that. Only because in COVID we don't have a store. And I was like, well, I'll fly to California and take you cash in the morning. And she's like, nope. I was like, well, I'll get in my car and drive. I'll see you.
Okay, let me see real quick. We got something basic.
That's a little V8.
It's clean though.
Man,
It's clean though.
it's cool.
We gotta do the quick tour because I'm running behind.
Shit dumb too, though.
It don't slide though.
Yeah, you right. Too lucky.
That shit chunky though. We got a little purr to it. Oh yeah, I see you. Look at that cut. Sheesh, smashed the car. Let's
With
go.
a new whip too?
Oh yeah, you already know. All right, fellas. All right, so really short vlog today. It's the end of the day. We got saw a couple pranks though. I got two more haircut. Got one haircut in the lineup. Excuse me. So we're about to watch the game, the Laker game, and I'm gonna finish up these last couple cuts. So
Oh, just told her, lady, I'm here.
I'm gonna end the vlog here. I will see you tomorrow. Peace. Okay, so I know I signed off the vlog for the day, but we knew in another golf bet. Another golf bet. So we're doing best 2 out of 3 again. If he wins, free cut. If I win, $50. Come on with it. He already missed his first shot. Look at he's lining up hella straight and shit. He's doing extra. Come on with it. Where the money at?
Oh, there you go.
Okay, that's 1 out of 2. Oh, last shot.
I keep stepping on this. That's
I know, see, that's why you fucking
I
around.
fucked up now.
Big foot? What size foot you wear?
See, our lineup went crazy.
He said that lineup been crazy. That $50 finna be really crazy.
That was the one right
I'm gonna buy you some golf lessons with my $50.
Ooh, that turnover though.
Oh, I didn't even hit that shit on. Oh. Bro, this is
2 shots? Come on with it.
I was gonna say, that's kind of fucked up already.
I get some warm shots, right?
You didn't have to.
Well, you,
Come on now.
you been having
Come
more
on,
shots. See, I'm watching the game and all of a sudden, damn. Dude.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Hold on, I've been cutting all
Oh, for
day.
wood.
I'll be cutting all day or playing all day.
We're cutting all day.
There's a little bit of half and half, bro. Oh!
Tie ball game.
One more.
Damn!
Tie ball game. Though. You have to get this. Tie ball game is pressure. Pressure. You been playing this all day.
Yeah, see, he fucking around. He's fucking around. Hey, he act like he don't know. I mean,
Hey, hold on. Oh, he's going back to back or what?
look, see? Oh!
Oh, he cheated me. Alright.
Well, X Games mode.
Yeah, he said, I don't even want to.
Come on, X Games mode. Come on. I'm signing off the vlog now for real. Peace.